Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, I am Kusain and today we're diving into a new interesting topic and it's about tabular presentation. But first, let me present to you all our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to understand the principles of effective tabular presentation. Second, develop an appreciation for the role of tabular presentation in conveying information. And lastly, demonstrate proficiency in creating a well-structured table by applying the principle learned. So what is tabular presentation? A tabular presentations, it refers to the organized and systematic arrangements of data in a tabular format, typically in the form of tables. Now, the primary purpose of tabular presentation is to present data in a structured and easily understandable manner. This format is widely used in various fields, including in business, in science, education, and research, to convey a complex information. Tables are a visual way to represent information, and they consist of rows and columns that intersect to form a cells. They play a pivotal role in organizing and structuring information, providing a clear framework for data representation. Whether you're dealing with numbers, text, or a combination of both, tables offer a powerful way to make sense of complex data sets. Now, each cell holds a specific data, and the headers for rows and columns provide context for understanding the information. Parts of a table are tabular presentation. First is the table number. The table number is the unique identifier assigned to a table. Now, the table number, it helps the readers to locate and reference a specific table within a document. So, it is usually placed above or below the table, often accompanied by the labels such as Table 1 or Table A.1. It's just an example of a table number. The second part is the title. It is a brief descriptive phrase summarizing the content or purpose of the table. Now, the title provides context and inform readers about the main focus of the table. It is typically positioned above the table and help the readers understand the relevance of the information presented. Now, the third part is the headings. It is the labels for columns and rows that define the content within the table. Now, the headings clarify the meaning of data in each columns and rows. For example, in a table displaying a student's grades, columns heading might include student name and rows heading might indicate the type of assessment. So that is the examples of the heading. The next one is the stubs. Now the stubs, it is the labels for rows in a table. So the stubs provides information about the item or entities represented in each row. So for example, in a table tracking sales by region, the stub must be the name of the different regions. The next part is the captions. So the caption, it is a concise information or additional information about the table. So the captions elaborates on the table's content, offering a context or insight that might not be immediately evident from the title alone. So the captions are usually placed below the table. So another part of the table is the body. So the body is the main part of the table. It is contain the actual data. So the body is where the numerical or categorical data is presented. So it consists of rows and columns, with each cell holding specific informations. The body is the core of the table, so conveying the key data for analysis. So another part of the table is the footnotes. So footnotes it is explanatory notes and or comments placed at the bottom of the table. So footnotes provides additional informations or clarifications regarding the specific entries in the table. So they are essentials for avoiding ambiguity and ensuring that readers fully understand the presented data. So another part of the table is the source. So the source acknowledges the data origins, whether it's a research study, a specific data set, or another source. So this ensures transparency and allows readers to verify the real reliability of the information presented in the table. Now the last part of the table is the box head. Now the box head it is a box-shaped element encompassing the title or headings, providing emphasis and visual separations. So the box head is an additional features that enhances the visual structures of the table. It is placed around the title or heading. So it draws attention to the essential informations at the top of the table, aiding in its distinct presentations. Now the next one is the principal components of an effective table. Number one, simplicity. So keeping the tables simple and uncluttered enhances the readability. So unnecessary details may distract from the main message or insight that the data is intended to convey. The second one is clarity. So tables should be it should be easy to interpret. So clear and concise labels, header, and legend contribute to the overall clarity of the tables. So ensuring that users can quickly understand the information presented. The third one is the consistency. So maintaining consistency in formatting, including font size, colors, and units of measurements, create a cohesive and professional look. So consistency helps users navigate the table more effectively. And then the last one is the alignment and spacing. So the proper alignment of data and appropriate spacing contribute to a clean and organized appearance. So this aids in information's absorptions, making it easier for the users to focus on the content without being visually overwhelmed. So, where can you use a tabular presentations? So you can use it in a numerical data. So tabular presentations is crucial when dealing with numerical data. So be it financial report, scientific experiment, or survey result. So the systematic arrangement of data in the tables enhances readability and facilitates in-depth analysis, providing a clear overview of numerical values. Second one is you can use it in a comparative analysis. So tables excels in comparative analysis. So when you need to compare different sets of informations or variables, tables offer a visually effective means of side-by-side comparison. So this format enables easy identifications of pattern, trends, and variations among the various data sets. Next is you can use it in categorical data. So ideal for presenting categorical data such as demographic informations, each row in the table can represent a distinct category, making it efficient for organizing and conveying information about different groups or classes. Next one is you can use it in a detailed information. So tabular presentation is the go-to format when conveying a detailed information. That requires a structured layout. Because this ensures that the data is not only accessible but also comprehensible, making it easier for the users to grasp intricate details without overwhelming visuals. Next is you can use it in a time series data. Tabular formats are suitable for presenting time series data. In this scenario, each column may represent a specific time point, facilitating trends analysis over time. This helps capturing and understanding the evolutions or pattern within the given time frame. The next one is you can use it in organizing scores. Now, tabular presentations play a vital role in organizing scores. It allows for the systematic arrangements of individual scores or responses, providing a quick and comprehensive overview of the performance across the various assessments. This aids educators, managers, or analysts in making informed decisions based on the organized score data.
So before I end our discussions, I prepared a very short activity. And in this activity, you just have to arrange the letters. So don't worry because I will be giving you a clue. Okay, number one, it is a visual way to represent informations and they consist of rows and columns that intersect to form a cell. So what's the answer? Yes, the answer is table containing the actual data. So the answer is body. Number three, it provides additional informations or clarification regarding specific entries in the table. So what's your answer? Yes, the answer is footnotes. Number four, it is a labels of four column and rows that defines the content. So the answer is what? Yes, the answer is headings. Now for the last one is it is a concise explanations or additional informations about the table. So the answer is yes. The answer is caption. So that's my short activity and I hope you've learned a lot in today's discussion.
That's it. That will be the end of our lessons. And today we're able to explore the key components of a table. From the table numbers to the footnotes and discuss when to use tabular presentations, emphasizing its applicability to numerical, comparative, categorical, detailed, time series data, and organizing scores. And remember that an effective table must have these components: simplicity, clarity, consistency, alignment, and spacing. And by adhering to this principle, you will not only enhance the readability of your tables but also ensure that your audience or your readers can quickly grasp the insights and information you aim to share with them. Thank you for listening in our lesson today, and I'm encouraging you to apply these principles as you work with your tabular presentations in the future. Have a good day and goodbye.